Hey guys, it's Bree. So I just wanted to make a very quick video basically showing you all the process of getting wood floors put in. Now, this is not a tutorial. We hired someone to do it, but I just found it to be intriguing of the process of taking up carpet and putting in wood floors. So I will be having a few clips shown about that. It's not detailed to a T. You know, I missed a lot of steps because, I was dozing off. This was a 5-hour process. So it's a 5-hour project or process, whatever you want to call it. It took, honestly, it took less time than what we thought it would. And the outcome is so freaking beautiful. So if you are thinking about doing the same, taking up old carpet and putting in wood floors, then I say go for it because, hey, I used to love carpet so much, but now, no, I do not like it anymore. So, yes. And it's not 100% wood, it is wood laminate, but I feel like, I don't know, I feel like that was a good decision for us. So yeah, stay tuned for these clips and I will show you the results. This is all of our equipment for our new flooring. We got the white quarter rounds there, our repair kit. I don't know what this tube is for. We got some of that to go up underneath the flooring so no water gets through. And this is silicone, and I will show you our floor. We did get wood laminate. We got 29 packs, and it's this Pergo XP Extreme Performance. This is the color of it. We got 29 packs of that. It's not 100% waterproof, but it as long as you, they said, as long as you wipe up stuff within 30 minutes or something like that, then you are good. Here is the old floor. 17 years of having it. 17 years of having this. And that box right there is our transitions. We waited a whole month to get those. So this is the space. For right now, they will move our furniture and we'll come back. See what it looks like after they rip up the carpet. Progress made right here. So barrier, part of the floor is done. We still got carpet here. We are making progress. Looking nice, looking nice. More progress. Almost done with the front room. It's looking really good. This was what was underneath our carpet right there. Just concrete. Okay, that's our old carpet. It's looking really nice. I'm so happy, I'm so happy. More progress. Transitions go here. Looks really nice. This is the end result. I am so happy with it. Our dining room table has seen better days. It's a bit dusty from this process of getting these floors done, but it looks so nice. So this is our dining room area. There it is. And we still have 2 boxes left of the Pergo floor. So there's one right there and there's one right there. And then we still have another transition and 2 quarter rounds. So the transitions look like this. It just separates, it's basically a divider from room to room. We waited so long for these, okay? For these to come in. But that's what it looks like close up. It looks so good. And then the quarter round is just these white things that go up against the wall. And you could get them in any cut. Well, yeah, you can get them in any color, I think, or you could just paint them whatever color you want. We're just gonna keep them white for now. But those were pretty cheap. And this is the plastic that goes up underneath each of these planks. So yeah, we still have a lot left of that. And then he didn't need any of our silicone because he had some left. But this is kind of how it connects into each other with this tab. So yes, it looks pretty good. And then we also got our closet done as well. And then here's our living room. And Nita's over there relaxing.
I love my floors. Thank you, Home Depot. This is beautiful.
It is. It really is. I'm very impressed. It opens up. It makes the space look bigger than before. But that's what it looks like. Far back. This is our living room.
So no more carpet cleaning, no more vacuuming, no more walking outside and bringing dirt inside, no more allergies.
Nope.
I was tired of the carpet.
Yep.
It was just too much work for me.
It really was.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. If you have any comments, leave them down below. Like this video and subscribe. See you next time.